Squeeze the back of my head, no wonder why it makes you angry. Alright guys, one of my favorite things to do as a kid was come to the store with my mom. Because every now and then, I'd get lucky and she'd buy a toy for me. Let's go see what we can get into. This is a good section to check out. Look at it, draw it, then say how can I make it cooler, and draw it again. Squeeze the back of my head, no wonder why it makes you angry. Yeah. That's actually really cool. I think we found our inspiration right here. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep things simple today and just let you watch the drawing process. What I've been inspired to make is actually sort of an angry zombie mouse. I know that toy was a bunny, but I just drew a bunny a few episodes ago, so we're gonna go with a mouse. I have some pretty big plans for this character when I'm finished with him. If you guys have seen my art adventure videos, you might know what I'm talking about, but this guy, once he's finished up, we're gonna throw him in kind of a cool animation adventure. So I'm pretty excited about this guy. Hopefully you like this, and I'll catch you at the end. Okay, check it out guys. This is the zombie mouse. I hope you guys like it. And like I said, I have pretty big plans for this guy for one of my art adventures coming up in the near future. So hopefully all of that works out and you guys will be able to check out this art adventure in a few episodes. So until next time guys, be creative and have fun.